Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
classification of benzodiazepines. We have one more classification for benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines can be classified as number one, they can be ultra short acting benzodiazepines, like we have midazolam. Then we have short acting benzodiazepines like triazolam. Then we have intermediate acting benzodiazepines. The intermediate acting benzodiazepines mainly include the drugs like alprazolam. Then we have nitrazepam, clonazepam, clobazam, and clorazepate. Clorazepate. So the intermediate acting benzodiazepines are alprazolam, nitrazepam, clonazepam, clobazam, and clorazepate. Then we have long-acting benzodiazepines, which include diazepam, chlordiazepoxide, flunitrazepam, and flurazepam. Then we have longest acting benzodiazepines. These longest acting benzodiazepines include chlordiazepoxide, and these also include diazepam. So longest acting benzodiazepines are chlordiazepoxide and diazepam.
thank you and thank you for watching.